Hello, my beautiful people. It's your one and only Lady J, my jolly people. If you have not subscribed, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my jolly people. Now the update of that video when I say the woman the jogodo with a prisoner, my jolly people. Things the happen for this world, though. Things the way they happen. My darling people could in fact I want to speak this English. Can you imagine say this man when he come the jogodo with for inside prison there? Not be not be prison, not be prisoner like a person way in the take care of as in people where they control there or no. This one I you husband where they arrest my darling people. Now husband where they arrest. Now he be that man, no, not be prisoner, oh. Like now there is in there prison for there, but not be saying na person wey in no na yours man. In just one do am with and since na yours man, make the quick do that quick you. You know say person dey prison now. You know go fit jogodo. So you can say okay, make your quick do am with am. That video when they come the video, he come the video am so that in go come the man go dey use that one say they enjoy himself for inside maybe the day when he go just think of her, he go still use that video to feel himself. Now he make that woman do that thing with her husband, my darling people. As the man now come out for prison, now he can't go bring this video come out. I don't see why he be say some women they really they wicked. Now they see life. This man now can't go bring this video come out. This video now they say even the other one they will be say the woman really what they call they do one whether they joke do the video they too. You understand? So my darling people, the one will constructalize maybe say why this man can't bring this video come out, because the full video everything can come out. Now this una know say this woman now don't meme herself, my darling people. This woman now don't meme herself now. This woman not there alive again because of this thing, this video. So now the same matter. And wow, why be say we women we too get soft mind? Why? May you please your own husband again. Things dey this life, sha. This life no balance. It no balance. Things dey this life. As I find that, now I say no. Ma come tell on the real gist too. Say not be the way it even happen self. And the way me fit hear the news, now me take do way me fit do. And I me come hear the real one. Now say, now yours man, now you do am with not be boy with person, not be boy we no know, not be person where they arrest for prison there. So now yours man, we see the prison there too. Maybe one just do and take please yours man. Nah, this woman now don't go by himself, meme himself. Don't meme himself because of this thing. So why people they wicked? Why people be like this? You see why some women not the one do this kind of thing with their husband. You see, person go say this one and my own husband, your husband go say betrayed you. In fact, I don't just know what to say at all. Really. You want to say, okay, this one and my husband, make I still do this thing with him. Now your own husband say we can't even show you Nana again because they quarrel. Now you go bring video, you go publish her for everywhere. Why some men they wicked like this? Person do something with you, they please you. Now, you now can go bring the video out. How you say maybe people take reason you? What do you say maybe people think of you? Eh? Why people wicked like this? Why? Eh? Why are people wicked like this? Why? Huh? Now wow. Things dey this life, things really did this life. This one shocktalize me. Oh, this one really fear me. It fear me because your own husband again. Who person, if you not going to trust your husband, who you want trust again for this life? Wanna tell me for comment section. Who you feel trust again? You don't feel trust boyfriend? Now this social media we see girl wey do the boyfriend the video like the and say baby stop. The girl dey bedroom. The girl dey half naked. If they say they just jogo don't finish. Now you say okay, make him go wash himself. The guy the video and say baby stop. You know, the guy don't finish to go publish the video. Go publish am. Why? Because he wants to punish the girl. Why the life not dey balance? Why? Why people dey wicked for this life? Why be say some men dey wicked? Why? Somebody do something, make you say they happy. This life not balance, oh. You not balance, eh? Your own husband, man, take place for inside prison. Because when they set the camera, the woman know. Some of them don't see the video. The woman know. He knows say na wetin her husband want to do because now 12 they are planned. Now the man don't go betray and go bring the video out. The woman don't meme herself. She don't meme herself because she not feel bear. She don't feel bear the shame. Because this thing as a South Africa now for happen so. And the same matter, my people. The life no balance. You not balance at all. I really feel sad. Like the thing pain me. Say the woman good not go ever kill her for this for the next life where she will come again. They are good not go kill her. Really. Not go kill her. Let me please my own husband again. Now your husband can say no. The life not balance, my jolly people. The thing tire me. Now say, man, I can't tell you. Now say, see how it happen. Anything we wanna think about the video, the update, we wanna leave on a comment for the comment section because the life you not balance. You not balance at all. So men are wicked. The heart of men is wicked. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. And remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. Share the video and always put thumbs up anytime you watch my video. Bye.